True medicine fallacy number 5, the fallacy of suppressing inflammation. We've been taught one of the biggest lies in modern medicine. Inflammation is the enemy. So we numb it, silence it, suppress it at all cost. But what if that's exactly what's keeping people sick? Inflammation isn't a malfunction, it's a message. It's the body saying, I'm repairing, I'm defending, I'm regenerating. Inflammation is how healing begins. When you cut your skin, inflammation cleanses the wound and rebuilds the tissue. When you sprain your ankle, swelling brings blood, nutrients, and repair cells. When you get a fever, your immune system turns up the heat to stop invaders. When your muscles ache after training, the inflammation is what makes them stronger. Painful? Yes. Inconvenient? Absolutely. But essential. The problem isn't inflammation. The problem is chronic, unresolved inflammation. Acute inflammation heals. Chronic inflammation harms. And when we suppress the signal without addressing the cause, we interrupt the body's healing intelligence. Your body is not attacking you, it's communicating with you. Healing doesn't happen when inflammation disappears, it happens when inflammation is allowed to complete its job. So remember, you're built to heal. Trust the blueprint.